There are some YouTube videos longer than an In-N-Out drive-thru. Would you like to summarize those videos? Then come with me. Hey, this is Darlene with At Real and Easy. So there's a YouTube video out there. I think it's on XL. It's 16 hours long. That is half a day. Half a day. Well, now you can summarize those long YouTube videos like that. So what you do is you download Google's free app called NotebookLM. And you can download it no matter, if you have an iPhone, Android, whatever. Yep. So go ahead and download that app. You also want to make sure you get the link to from the YouTube video that you want to summarize. Step 1, tap on Create New Notebook. Step 2, tap Add Source. Step 3, select YouTube. Step 4, you're going to paste the video link right in there. It should be like a little box. Then step 5, you're going to tap on Add. And then after that, you'll see the video link right there. Step 6, now this is where you're going to tell, AI what to do. You're going to tell NotebookLM how you want it summarized. Like, summarize this video like I'm 3 years old. Summarize the information in this video like I'm a senior citizen. Break this down to me like I'm 10 years old and things like that. Because it really, you want it broken down to you the way you will understand and the way you like it. But you have to tell AI that. So once you do that, NotebookLM will analyze it according to your wishes. And then on one side, it may take a couple of minutes as well. One side, you'll see, I think it'll be a word summarization. And on the other side, or underneath it, you'll see the audio version, honey, the audio version, which is sort of like a podcast. And you can download that onto your phone as well, which is great. So if this worked for you, let me know. And also, too, let me know if I've made the steps very easy for you as well. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.